I just wanted to show you what's happening when you buy a house right beside a school. So let's pretend this is my library here, but let's pretend this is a home. Now if you look over here, it's gonna be disaster when these guys come in and they started picking up their kids. This street is gonna get so clogged up that it's gonna be hard, just to leave, this place. Now you see that car down there? This is just a mess. Now some of these guys that are waiting, they're also parking right here. So that's also another issue for these folks that want to come down and swing by the library. All these Mercedes and Audis, they're not going here, they're going there. So that's another issue that you have here. So lesson number 1, don't buy the home right next to the school, because you're not gonna like it.